How to fix sign out is not available due to restrictions on the iPhone. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, you want to go into settings. In settings, scroll down and then look for screen time. Now in here, we then go down and tap on change screen time passcode. Now what you want to do is you need to turn off screen time. So we need to tap on turn off screen time passcode. Put in the current passcode. Okay, so it is now switch off. I'm going to turn off content and privacy restriction as well. So we're just going to turn off all the restrictions. Then tap on the back key, then go to the top and go into your Apple account. This time you can see you can now sign out of your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.